our food bank is in need of some more donations. So if you can lend a hand and offer some donations of tinned foods and packeted things, then we'd really appreciate that to help the need in our area. So if you can do that, drop your items off to church and we'd love to have those items from you as donations.
On Sunday, the 6th of July, we've got a very special Sunday happening here as part of our local mission weekend. We're going to be joined in both of our services, 10:30 a.m. and 5 p.m, with Mark Ritchie, who's going to bring us a bit of comedy with the gospel message. It is a great opportunity to bring anyone who is curious about Jesus and knowing him personally. So we'd really encourage you spreading the word and bringing your friends along to that. Now, after each service, we're going to be having a lovely outreach barbecue as well in the sun for you to bring along any of your friends that are curious about the Christian faith. Bring them along. It's going to be a great time together where we're sharing some food and some sun, best combo in the world, and it's going to be a lovely time. Now please, if you're able to, please make an effort to come to the 5 p.m. one instead of the morning one, just so that we can make sure we free up enough space for all our guests. We want to make sure that it's not just everyone at the morning, but that it's spread across both services. So make a special effort. There's going to be a bouncer castle at this barbecue. There's going to be mascot friends showing up, so you don't want to miss out on all the fun and all the food. It's going to be a great way to share Jesus with our community.
Hey everyone, I'm excited to announce our holiday club this year will be the Big Garden Party. Yes, we're going to have loads of brilliant fun in the summer holidays from the 29th of July until the 1st of August. So kids, get your parents to book you in as soon as possible. We'll be playing games, we'll be singing songs, we'll be doing stories, we'll be having prizes and loads of great food and loads of really fantastic stuff. So make sure that you are a part of it. Bookings are available now on our website, so hop on there and get yourself or your children booked in today.
I know that it's hard to believe what I'm saying, but I'm a child of a king who delights in saving. He pulled me back from the brink, now I'm in this.
It's a busy month this month at Excel Church, but we want you to just know that on the June the 29th, which is a Sunday, there are going to be no services here at Excel Church, but that is because we're going to be here at Hickman Park for Hope in the Park. Another year where it's coming back for us to reach our community with the hope of the gospel and some outreach. So join us here. It's for families. It's for anybody who wants to come for a really nice Sunday day out. You can even have a picnic right here on the grass. So come along, spread the word to your neighbours, to your friends, to your community around you, and come along. And if you'd like to volunteer and offer some help on the day to make things run a bit smoother, then do speak to Dan or one of the team to offer yourself for the day. We can't wait to have a great time at Hope in the Park 2025.
So that's all for Excel News, but don't forget this Wednesday is our AOG night, so there's no prayer and Bible study. We'll be meeting here, and if you're a leader, then come along for that evening. We've got Dan Murphy coming to lead that evening, so it's going to be a great one. Don't miss out, and have a great week, guys.